All right, the next link that we want to show you is a bead link, and a bead link is just putting little chain loops on the sides of your beads. You can use this to create a chain of beads, but we're going to take and put the wire through, and it's a wrapping process. So first we're going to start with a pretty regular sized wire. This one's about, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 inches long, which is plenty of wire. I'm going to first start with the chain nose plier, and I'm going to take about 2 inches of the piece, and I'm going to fold or bend that wire in half at about a 45-degree angle. Then I'm going to take my the round nose plier. I'm going to put it right inside that bend, and I'm going to take, for a little loop, I'm going to take that wire and I'm going to wrap it around that nose and bring the wire together so it kind of makes a funky loop there. And then I'm going to take and bend, putting that in, bend that over so that I get a nice loop there. So I've got a nice loop. I can take my chain nose plier now, pinch it right on that loop, and I can wrap it pretty tight with my fingers, about 2 wraps. Right there, you can go 3, you can go 1, depending on how big of a piece you want there. On this one, I've got 3 on the one side. So then I'm going to take it and cut off that excess right there. Throw that in the scrap, and then I can just take my chain nose and kind of tighten that together so that the end's not sticking out. Just kind of fold that in there so that it's nice and tight, and that just creates the nice little eyelet there at the end. Then I'm going to take the bead. I have this little bead right here. I'm going to stick it through the hole, slide that bead down onto the wire. You can see that little link right there, and then we're going to do the same thing here. I'm going to take and pinch right here at the end of the wire, and I'm going to fold that over to create that angle just like we did before, but now we have a bead on there. So I'm going to take that there, put my, let's fold that just a little bit, we don't want it quite so long. Fold that over, and then I'm going to wrap, again, just like before, that wire around until it almost meets. The bead's a little bit in the way. Take the plier and just kind of bend it so that it comes around and creates the loop. And then I'm going to wrap that tight. So I'll hold the chain nose here, and with my fingers just kind of wrap that twice, and that kind of creates a tight, but it won't slide back and forth, but it'll keep it tight. So bring that back over here, use the flush cutter here to go in and cut the end off, and then I'll use that chain nose to just pinch it in to tighten that up. There we go. And then I just want to make sure that the loops are turned the same direction there. And now I have that nice little bead link that I can go in and put into the chain.